Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ring doorbell. First, let's get started by unboxing your new device. Carefully remove all components from the packaging and confirm everything is present, including the mounting bracket and screws. You'll also want to gather your tools, like a drill and screwdriver, before we begin. Finally, download the Ring app onto your smartphone or tablet and create an account. This app is essential for the entire setup process and will guide you through the next steps seamlessly. Now, let's move on to the physical installation. Select a prime spot for your doorbell, ideally around 1.2 meters or 4 feet off the ground for optimal viewing and motion detection. Use the mounting bracket to mark your drill holes accurately. If you're drilling into a hard surface like brick, remember to use the wall anchors for a secure fit. Once your pilot holes are ready, firmly attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the screws. This provides a stable base for your Ring doorbell. Next, we'll handle the power connection. If you're hardwiring, connect your existing doorbell wires to the 2 terminals on the back of the Ring device. Make sure these connections are tight and secure to ensure consistent power. For those opting for battery power, fully charge the quick-release battery pack. This usually takes several hours. Once charged, simply slide the battery into the bottom of the doorbell until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's properly seated and ready to go. Finally, let's complete the setup within the Ring app. Open the app and choose Set up a device. The app will then guide you through connecting your doorbell to your home's Wi-Fi network, which is a crucial step. Take a moment to customize your motion detection zones and notification preferences to avoid unnecessary alerts. Once everything is configured, give your new doorbell a test press. You should receive an immediate notification on your phone, confirming that your Ring doorbell is fully operational and ready to protect your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.